Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Gmail on a desktop browser because the web interface exposes search operators and settings. Once signed in, click the search bar and type operators like larger, 10M, or has, attachment to immediately filter big messages. Make sure to open Settings, see All Settings if you plan to manage forwarding or filters next. You do this now to narrow results. That reduces noise and surfaces the biggest emails first, which is exactly what we need for size checks. Once you have a filtered list, inspect individual threads and attachments to confirm sizes. Use larger, 5M or larger, 10M to control thresholds. Gmail shows attachment previews but not explicit combined thread size. To see raw message headers and an accurate mail size, open the message, click the three-dot menu and select Show Original. The content length header or raw size hints help. Make sure to download attachments to verify their file sizes. And remember, Conversation View can hide per message totals versus per thread total. To finish, remove or archive the largest emails you no longer need, and then empty trash to reclaim space immediately. Once done, check Google Drive and Google Photos storage pages for aggregated usage, because Gmail storage is shared across services. Moving attachments to Drive and deleting mail reduces Gmail usage. If queries return inconsistent results, clear your browser cache or try another browser, rerun the larger search, and make sure Conversation View is toggled off if you need per message clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.